Hi guys, I have a very special video tonight. A lot of you guys asked me if I'm German. The answer is no, I'm not German, but I have a lot of friends and family in Germany. This is what I got. This right here and this right here. So I did not open any of these things because I really wanted to do it in front of the camera. So I got mail from a few friends of mine and from a few family members. One of my friends that got me mail is Candy Kandla, Candy from YouTube. And I don't know how these things are packed up. My mom packed these for me, so let's unpack them together. I'm so excited. I was waiting for this the whole day. So this is the smaller bag. So I opened it, and in here there's this bag. Okay, it's the bag. So this is empty now. So here we got the bag, and this looks like it contains jewelry. Not too bad. Then I got fingers, eyelashes. Look at this. This is so pretty. So pretty. I got nail art stickers. Look at this earring. So pretty. Oh my god. Killing it. Another earpiece. This is so beautiful. This is breathtaking. I love it. They know me. They just know me. Look at them. This is the last pair. Look at these. I love them. I'm obsessed with them already. The next thing I got in this small bag are 5 nail polishes. The first one is this Manhattan Birthday Colors limited edition nail polish in purple pearls. And this is really pretty. This is a really pretty color. I love purple. Then we got a P2 Color Victim nail polish in Stylish. I love the P2 or P2 brand. Another P2 Color Victim nail polish in Drama. I really like it. And then a P2 Color Victim nail polish in Diva. That's me. That's me. I love it. It's a really dark burgundy color. I will maybe share this one with my mom because my mom really loves red and burgundy. And one last P2 Color Victim nail polish in Satellite Dreams. Oh, look at this duochrome. This one is amazing. I love their nail polishes. I wish we had them here. Okay, now onto the big bag. Oh guys, a few things in here. The thing that fell out is this Elastos Silk Skin Pro Schutz vor Blasen- und Reibungsschmerzpflaster. So this is a pad, and I'm sure that my mom got this for me because I got retarded feet. My feet are retarded. So this happens. She got me these pads to put them here, and this is a part of my feet where I always get blisters. I always get blisters on this part of my feet. Hate it. So thank you so much, Mom. You just know me too well. So the next product is this Think Pink palette, 12 interchangeable eyeshadow colors from Coastal Scents. I think that this is from Candy. I'm sure it is. Oh my god. Okay, I know it's from Candy because she has this distinctive style of panning her eyeshadows. She always like got these dots going on. These colors are fantastic. Let's watch a few. I never tried Coastal Scents shadows before, ever, and I'm honestly blown away by the pigmentation. Wow. Candy, thank you for making this possible. The next thing are testers. A lot of testers of the Balea Teint Perfection Moisturizing Day Cream. Nail files. I got a Clinique sample pack, and it's a little bag with 3 samples of the Clinique Clarifying Lotion for combination skin. The next thing is something that is packed inside paper. It's a Coastal Scents palette. It is a Coastal Scents palette full of neutral eyeshadows. Pigmentation on point. I'm really surprised. I can't wait to play with these. Again, thank you so much, Candy. This is amazing. Where's my other palette? Here it is. Let's put them together. The next product is this a new Reversalist Complete Renewal Day Cream from Avon. The next thing is another sample pack of the AOC Moisture Feuchtigkeitstagespflege 24 Stunden mit Traubenextrakt und pflanzlichem Hyaluron. So I had to read this in German because it's a German brand. And this is a moisturizing day cream with grape extract. Happy to try that. The next thing is something in this paper again, so assume it's from Candy. I always, this is such a silly thing. It's the e.l.f. blush. I don't know which color this is, but I know it's silly because these are not, wow, it's really pretty. It's a light pink color. I wanted to try these for such a long time. It's not like this is a product that you can't get, but I did find it very hard to get these blushes, so I'm so happy for getting the chance to try them. Thank you so much, Candy. Okay, the new Reversalist Complete Renewal Night Cream from Avon. So this, I guess, is a duo. You guys know one thing, and that's that I love Catrice. And this is a single Catrice shadow in Papaya Don't Preach. This is a true tangerine color with tiny little gold flecks in it, and I think it is so beautiful. I will actually try to use this as a blush too in the summer months because it's so pretty. Oh my god. Look at this palette. Go back in time to the disco era of the 70s used this funky eyeshadow palette to recreate the foxy eye looks worn by the decade's dance queens. This palette includes 30 matte, shimmer, and glitter shades that are sure to bring out your inner diva. You don't need much to bring out my inner diva, though. Wow, this packaging. Look at this. Crazy. Okay. Wow. This is amazing. She did swatches on the paper, and I mean, it's the exact eyeshadows that are in here. This is brilliant. So you see them through the color. This is brilliant, Candy. How to make your face wow. I did not see this. Look at this. It's a little face palette from Essence. These blushes are hella pigmented. And this is a lovely shimmery bronzer. And this is a beautiful highlight. Oh my god, this highlight could dupe the Autumn Glow highlighter, the cream highlighter from Pete's 2 that I am panning right now. I will do a comparison and I will let you know. Thank you. Killing me. Okay. This is what was in the packaging. Oh dear. Oh my god. I got Tarte eyeshadows. I don't know what to say. Aren't these screaming fall? Can't believe it. These are so beautiful. Thank you so much, Candy. You made a girl so happy. Oh, they got names. This is 9 to 5. Limited editor color collection and purse collection de couleur and pochette and édition limitée. Was that right? And the other one is Girls Night Out. Then we got this L'Oreal Skin Perfection Day Cream. It's a little sample. And I do have a few things from this line from L'Oreal. I really like them. And then we got a Lollipops Paris Delicieuse Lip Balm. This looks hella cute. It smells. The texture is really lovely. It's really light and nice. It has a slight sweet, cakey smell and taste, and I really like it. No. Is this what I think it is? It is. Thank you so much, Candy. So I wanted to try these smudge pots from e.l.f. for the longest time now, and there was no way for me to get them because they are available on the US e.l.f.'s website, but they don't ship internationally. These are so pretty, and they weren't available on the UK side, I think. So I wasn't able to get these, and I'm so happy to have a chance to try them. They are amazing. And if I would have picked them for myself, I would have picked the exact same colors. There was a postcard from Candy, and this is the card. I love it. Totally agree. And she left me a note on it. Nini, vielen Dank. Vielen Dank dir, liebe Candy. Thank you so much for this. This is going on my wall. Another thing I wanted to try so bad, it's the Revolution, Makeup Revolution London Vivid Beige Blusher in Make Love Instead. I wanted to try any of these baked blushes from them. I like this. Oh my god. This is the Coastal Scents Revealed 2 palette. It's alright. It's alright. A few eyeshadows cracked. I'm gonna repress this tomorrow. I can't show you. Nothing too bad. I'm gonna repress this tomorrow. I wanted to try this palette again for the longest time, especially because I think that this row up here is a dupe for the Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay, and you know there is no way that this sister will ever, ever, ever spend that much money on an eyeshadow palette if it's not Tom Ford or something. This is a revealed palette, customized brown. Oh, so pretty. I have to repress these tomorrow, because in here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cracked eyeshadows. So I won't be touching this one until tomorrow. Thank you so much again. I love it. Those colors are absolutely gorgeous. I will just repress it and it will be fine. Ah! I really wanted to try anything from this brand because I never try them, and I always look at it when I'm in DM, but I never actually go for it. So now I have the chance to try them. It's a Michelin blush in number 5. Okay. I love the plexiglass packaging. I am a sucker for packaging like this. Oh, this is a really lovely blush. It is a dusty, peachy mauve kind of color. One woman's declutter is another woman's happiness. What did I say? What did I say just moments ago? I freaking love Catrice. Yes! Look at this. Candy, you... Candy, I'm so freaking sorry that you have this eye issue and that you can't use these eyeshadows anymore. I mean, I'm really happy, but I'm sorry that you can't use all of these because they're beautiful. And a girl should be able to play with makeup and do whatever she wants. So this is a Catrice Absolute Eye Color Limited Edition Hollywood's Fabulous 40s. And she's a lady. It's screaming autumn. The second one is this Nude Purism Eye Color Quattro in Naked Brown. Really pretty. If you guys are wondering, she did take some of the shadows out of here while she was still using it because of her allergy. So she wouldn't be tempted to use them, which I think is a very smart move. The next product is this little bag, and it is a little Clinique bag, a Tease Trendy Cosmetics eye pencil in ice. Ooh, this is a really buttery and soft eye pencil. So Susan. Oud Light with white truffle extract skincare. I'm not sure. This looks like a nude pencil, and I will use this for my waterline. There are single eyeshadows. I'll start with the Catrice shadow in Lilac Maniac. And look at this. Catrice just never disappoints. Look at this color. The next four singles are Freedom eyeshadows. Freedom London, and I haven't tried anything from this brand yet. I'm waiting to go to England soonish, and then I was thinking about going to Superdrug and swatch all of the Freedom makeup. This is a single eyeshadow in Smolder 211. Base 203, and this is a matte one. Gilded 220. Really pretty. You can't see anything, can you? You're just asking yourself, Maya, stop fucking with your swatches. Just stop it. We don't see shit. The next one is in Brights 227. It is a wonderful sparkly lilac. A Revlon Color Stay Pressed Powder. Are you kidding me? I wanted to try this one for the longest time. Wow. I'm so excited. No words. This is a new Versalist Complete Renewal Foaming Cream Cleanser. You're killing me, girl. You're killing me. Freedom, be free to make up. Ooh. Oh, there you can see my light. It's so old school, isn't it? There you can see me. Wow. This seems like a contour palette. I can't believe this. Just last night, I was checking out the internet, searching for a suitable contour palette, because I don't have any. I have bronzers, and I don't really have one single contour powder that is like made for contouring your face, not bronzing up your face. So I got a few eyeshadows that I will try as a contour powder, but they're not really the right shade of taupe. So I tried to get the NYX taupe blush, which they don't sell anymore, and they still haven't got the new reformulated blushes from NYX, the HD blushes. But that shade, the taupe shade, is different anyway, so can't get it anymore. I'm so sorry about that, but I heard that the Essence shadow in my favorite tauping from the Isle of Nudes collection is a one-on-one dupe on NYX taupe, and I really wanted to get that NYX taupe blush and do a comparison, but it's not gonna happen. This is a W7 10 out of 10 browns palette. I never tried anything from this brand. Look at this. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Look at these shades. Gorgeous. I'm so spoiled. I'm so spoiled. I'm so spoiled. I have to give away some makeup as soon as possible when I get home. Are you kidding me? This is the most adorable thing I've ever seen in my life. So this is Dior, and look at this. It's a mini Dior palette. How freaking cute is this? Have you ever seen something as cute as this? Oh my god, look at this. This is so cute. This is my very first Dior makeup product I got in my collection. The very first. This is adorable. Couture Color Eyeshadow Palette in Greige. 734 Greige. My very first Dior. Thank you. Another Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Blush in Love Me the Best. Looks like a really pretty, it's marbleized. So you can see some shimmery burgundy and pink and peach in there. It is a very shimmery blush and I love it. No, you didn't. I wanted to try these blushes since I saw them on the BH Cosmetics website and Candy making it possible. This is the BH Cosmetics Daisy Blush Duo. This is the color. There is a matte blush on one side and something that looks like a shimmery highlight on the other. Yes. This is the Winterberry palette from Coastal Scents and I was eyeing this palette for the longest time. How can I love everything you sent me? How can I like adore everything you sent me? So many options. Little single. And it's a blusher, a 4LK Düsseldorf blusher in Natural. It's a really pretty peach color. Peachy pink, I would say. And it's a matte blush. And I can't wait to wear it. And then we got this little makeup bag, which is so cute. It is very silvery, and I love silver. There is a Freedom blush in True Loved. It's a lovely matte peach color. Oh gosh. The Essence Funfair blush in Sweet Tooth. I was thinking about getting this blush this summer for so long. I was standing in front of the limited collection display and I was eyeing it and oh yeah, I have a pimple right here. It's super annoying. Wow, it's really shimmery and lovely. Can't wait to try it. Here we got another eyeshadow in base 204 from Freedom. The Essence Silky Touch blush in Adorable. Oh my god, the Rivalde Young Rouge and Highlighter. And how is this possible? This and this product. So that day I went to DM and to Rossmann. That's another drugstore in Germany. And I was eyeing this in DDM, and later I was eyeing this product in the Rossmann. Again, I didn't really have much money with me that day, and I didn't get it in the end. And I was thinking about it, being like, oh, I wish I had got that highlighter, and it's limited collection, and this and that. It's in Precious Glow, by the way, and now I got it. This is officially it. The bag is empty. What can I say, guys? What can I say? I'm so happy. I'm blessed. I am freaking blessed. That's what I am. So I'm gonna go and be super grateful for everything I got. I feel so happy. The only thing I have to do is press the revealed shadows, but that's not going to be a problem. Nonetheless, I'm very, very, very happy with everything I got. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Candy. Thank you, Mom. Thank you to all my friends and family in Germany in general. That's it for my unboxing. Thank you so much for bearing with me and going with me through all these things. I'm the happiest girl alive. I wish you a lovely evening, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!